To redeem a Halper voucher, there are two methods: using the Halper website or the Halper app. To use the website, start by visiting halper.com and sign in with your credentials. Then, make a booking by selecting your destination and travel dates, and click the Continue button. Next, click on the voucher you want to redeem on the Halper wallet page that loads. On the checkout page, verify that you've selected the correct voucher and click the Continue button to authorize the redemption. Alternatively, you can use the Halper app. Sign in to your Halper wallet, then tap the blue button on the voucher you want to redeem on the home page. Select your destination and travel dates on the loaded page, and click the Continue button. On the Halper wallet page, choose your voucher from the list by clicking on it, then tap the Continue button. Finally, on the review page, check that the correct voucher is applied and click the OK button to approve the redemption. Redeeming a Halper voucher is a straightforward process, and by following these steps, you can easily complete it.